Good morning. The April 11th, 2018 meeting of the Board of Estimates is now called to order. In the interest of promoting the order and efficiencies of these hearings, persons who are disruptive to these hearings will be asked to leave the hearing room immediately. Meetings of the Board of Estimates are open to the public for the duration of the meeting. The hearing room must be vacated at the conclusion of the meeting. Failure to comply may result in a charge of trespassing. Madam Deputy Controller, are there any corrections, additions, or deferrals on the agenda?
Good morning. For today's agenda, there were no protests received. There are no changes or corrections to the agenda. We have one item that is being deferred for 2 weeks, and that is pages 25 to 26, item number 3. I have the following abstentions to report. There are no abstentions for the Honorable Mayor Pugh. The Honorable President Young will abstain on page 49, item number 1, and page 49, item number 2. The Honorable Comptroller Pratt will abstain on page 55, item number 2. The items that remain on the non-routine agenda are on page 57, items 1 and 2, which are audits. Mr. President, members of the board, that is the one item that's being deferred, the abstentions that have been reported thus far, as well as the items that are on the non-routine agenda. Thank you.
Thank you. I will direct the board members' attention to the memorandum from our office dated April the 9th, 2018, identifying matters to be considered as routine agenda items together with any correction and additions that have been noted by the Deputy Controller. I will entertain a motion to approve all of the items contained on the routine agenda.
I move approval, Mr. President.
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, nay. The motion carried. The routine agenda has been adopted. The first item on the non-routine agenda can be found on page 57, item 1, Fire Department Biennial Financial Report, fiscal year ended June 30th, 2016 and 2015. Will the parties please come forward? Okay, we're going to do 1 and 2 together, so that'll be page 57, item number 1, and item number 2. Independent audit report on internal controls over financial reporting and compliance and other matters.
Okay, good morning, members of the board. My name is Audrey Askew, acting city auditor. There was one finding for the fire department financial audit. The finding is incorrect accounting entry. The criteria Commission of Sponsoring Organization, which is called COSO, requires entities to maintain a system of internal control that provides reasonable assurance that transactions are properly recorded and accounted for to permit the preparation of reliable financial statements. During our 2016 testing of an expenditure of capital outlay, we noted an error in posting $353,000 as a result of BAPS correcting an entry that was originally posted in 2008. The posting was to the Capital Projects Clearing Account. BAPS cannot post entries from 8 years ago. This is an accounting error. The cause: in an effort to correct a prior period 2008 out-of-balance account, BAPS incorrectly prepared a journal entry in 2016 as an attempt to correct the account balance within the fire department. Expenditures were overstated in 2016. As a result, the city may be exposed to reputation risk. In addition, we have no information on the magnitude of these types of errors within the fire department of accounts. And the reason we don't is because we did not audit the entire account. We just selected as one, and we noted that one issue in this particular area. And we recommend the fire department perform periodic reviews of transactions posted to its general ledger to ensure the accuracy and appropriateness of the accounting issue. And if you turn to the last page, this is a summary of the capital projects account. If you look at 2015, you'll note there was no issues with that account. You had the revenues come in at 246, expenditures of 111. You had a net excess of revenues over expenditure of 134,000. That's what you want to see in your accounts. But in 16, you see 125 for revenues. That 353,000 that's in expenditures, see the capital outlay that went up to 456. That's because of this error that's in there that made a deficit. The deficit is not a true deficit because it really should not have been there, but we could not correct it, so we left it there, but it's netted there. It's noted that you have an error and that it is posted. Also, you had 8 years of audit, so those 8 years of audits did have some journal entries to tell you to post. And they would probably, more than likely, I'm quite sure BAPS posted those entries from '08 to '16. So in a sense, you're double counting this if they were corrected within those prior years. That's all I have to say.
Good morning. Jim Fisher from Baltimore City Fire Department. We assisted the audit department with their audit, and we thank them for their time and effort for the 2-year biannual audit. We have responded positively to this request. We don't make these expenditures. The finance department for the capital accounts do. We will review them on an annual basis, and that's been what our response will be. Any questions?
Any questions from anybody? Okay. This, the audit had been noted.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, there have been no more business before this board. We'll recess until bid opening at 12 noon. Thank you.
Good afternoon. The Board of Trustees is now in session for the receiving and opening the bids. I apologize for the delay. We have one addendum to read for today, and that is for SC 927. Okay. Electrical distribution system reliability improvements at the Back River Wastewater Treatment Plant. Please change the bid due date from April 11th to April 25th, 2018.
All right, so that change is noted.
Okay. TR 18006, resurfacing highways at various locations, Northeast Sector 1. A bid bond is required if the amount is over $100,000. Okay, sure. Manuel Louise Construction Company, Inc., with the bid bond. $2,885,500. I'm sorry, I misread that. Yeah, let me start that again, please. Again, this is Manuel Louise Company with a bid bond. $2,285,506.15. Thank you. Did you see it? 8379. Let me see it. Oh, good. Must be loose in the front. It's probably in the front. Sometimes they put it in the front. There it is.
Okay.
P. Flanagan and Sons Incorporated with a bid bond. $2,398,122.30.
Yeah, I apologize. Both of those bids are going to be referred to transportation for review.
TR 18007, resurfacing highways at various locations, Northwest Sector 2. A bid bond is required if the amount is over $100,000. Manuel Louise Construction Company, Inc. with a bid bond. $2,256,513.50. P. Flanagan and Sons Incorporated with a bid bond. $2,441,513.85.
These will be referred to the Department of Transportation for review.
TR 18008, resurfacing highways at various locations, Southwest Sector 3. A bid bond is required if the amount is over $100,000. I figured that range, I'm still looking for it. It's here. Let's see what she got.
Thank you. That's good. That's the MBE.
Let me see. Oh, I found it though. Yeah. So, there it is. Oh, nine. Okay, thank you. Manuel Louise Construction Company, Inc. with a bid bond. $2,272,905.50. P. Flanagan and Sons Incorporated with a bid bond. $2,334,545.
These will be referred to the Department of Transportation for review. Thank you.
TR 18009, resurfacing highways at various locations, Southwest Sector 4. A bid bond. I'm sorry, thank you, forgive me, that's Southeast. Let me read that again. Excuse me, TR 18009, resurfacing highways at various locations, Southeast Sector 4. A bid bond is required if the amount is over $100,000. P. Flanagan and Sons Incorporated with a bid bond. $2,278,787.40. Manuel Louise Construction Company, Inc., with a bid bond. $2,339,449.70.
All right, these will be referred to the Department of Transportation for review. And just a question, did you say that Emma Louise had a bid bond?
Yes, with a
Okay.
bid bond.
All right,
Yes,
thank
thank
you.
you. Rec and Parks RP 17808, Lakeland Recreation Center window replacements. No bids were received. Thank you. Sheet for 6. Checks will be. B50005328, Baltimore City Shuttle / Transit Services. This is a technical opening. Prices will not be read. There's a fixed bid guarantee in the amount of $30,000. Transdev Services, Inc.
That's their name here. Yes. It's there.
Aaron's Plus, Inc., doing business as RMA Worldwide and RMA Coach.
Does it make a difference that what they have on their check is something different? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Good. Okay, both of these will be referred to the Bureau of Purchases for review.
Last one.
B50005213, Vehicle Upholster Repair Services. A bid bond is not required.
It's an item bid, B10.
What's it, yeah.
But
It's a-
I just wanted to do the labor rates.
Yeah.
Labor rates are on hourly rates because what's the cost plus markup?
Okay.
This is an item bid, but I will read the labor rates. S-
Item one, item one, labor rate.
Labor rate. Okay.
The other items are different things they've used and they're showing the markup on them.
Okay. Okay.
Smith Auto Service, Inc., doing business as Smith Auto Glass and Upholstery. Labor rate, $32,850.
Just one for that, right? Just only one. Just one.
I think I do. It's small.
Check item.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Referred to.
Are there two?
This one bid. Is it two?
I have Clearview Auto.
Two, okay, let me look and see after. Yeah, put it all together. Okay. I guess they were all, Three Rivers. Let me see. Make sure. It's Smith Auto. Here's, put it all together, so let me see. Okay. So,
This is,
Smith. That looks like that's Clearview.
duplicate home, Clearview.
Okay, good, so, make sure I got it straight there, because this right here is Smith Auto. 25,
This is Clearview.
okay. Okay, this is all Smith here. I probably did that, okay. Making sure I have the right ones.
This is all.
Yeah, this is all
These are
Smith, this is all
duplicates.
Smith.
Okay, so this is,
Smith,
okay,
and this,
and this is Clearview.
do you have the original too?
These are all duplicates. It's
Okay, right there. This is duplicate too, okay. Go back again and make sure.
So these three are,
This is,
these three are Clearview.
yeah, that's Smith. So then, that's Smith,
Mm-hmm.
that's a duplicate. Smith,
Mm-hmm.
Smith, duplicate, okay. Let me go back and see. Here's the original, let me make sure this is not, this should be the original for Smith. Let's see. That's Smith's original.
So
Okay,
it looks like Clearview didn't submit.
wait a minute, but here it is.
That's it.
That should, hopefully this is it. This is probably it right here. Yep.
Okay.
And you put this out like this. Okay. This is all Smith. This is short.
Okay.
And that's all Smith. Okay. And for Clearview Auto Glass and Tint LLC, I'm reading the total price for item 1, which is the labor rates. And that is $231,000.
Okay, these will be referred to the Bureau of Purchases for review.
All right, thank you. Thank you. There being no further business, we are adjourned.